My name is Rafal, and I'm a filmmaker. If you're watching this, welcome, and thanks. Hopefully it's a cool thumbnail that drew you in, but I'm hoping it's this video that'll make you come back. That was a peek at my life back in 2017. I guess I was lucky to be a part of some pretty awesome adventures. I've only been doing this filmmaking thing for about a year. Well, I've been doing it seriously for about a year. I guess I want to take 2018 on a more ambitious approach. I hope to motivate not just myself, but you guys as well. So, let's grow as filmmakers together. If you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. A like and a comment wouldn't hurt either. Here's to 2018. Let's make the most of it.